Your expensive gaming PC is basically a high-tech vacuum cleaner for your carpet, but this simple steel frame might just be the ultimate lifesaver for your hardware. Most of us spend thousands on our rigs only to leave them sitting on the floor where they choke on dust, pet hair, and restricted airflow. That is where the practical two-tier PC case stand comes in. It is a rugged, thickened steel frame that feels incredibly solid the moment you bolt it together. At nearly 20 inches long and over 9 inches wide, it is built to accommodate almost any mid-to-full tower on the market today. What makes this stand truly stand out is the mobility. It features 4 360-degree rotating universal wheels that glide across the floor, making it effortless to pull your PC out when you need to swap cables or clean the back panel. 2 of those wheels have built-in brakes, so once you find the perfect spot, it stays locked in place without any annoying wobbling. Beyond just moving things around, the height is a total game changer for thermal performance. By lifting the chassis off the ground, you are giving your power supply and bottom intake fans room to breathe, which can actually help lower your internal temperatures during heavy gaming sessions. The two-tier design is a clever touch too. Instead of just being a flat dolly, you get an extra shelf on top for your controllers, external drives, or even a small plant to liven up the office. It turns a wasted corner of your room into an organized storage hub. Assembly is a breeze since it comes with all the tools and even a video guide, so you won't be struggling with confusing diagrams for hours. It feels like a premium piece of furniture rather than a cheap accessory. If you're tired of your PC being a floor-dwelling dust magnet, this stand is a simple, effective, and surprisingly stylish solution to keep your setup clean and accessible. It is a small investment that offers massive peace of mind for any PC owner. It is sturdy, mobile, and keeps your gear running cool and clean.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.